The world is witnessing a major shift in the automotive industry as electric vehicles, EVs, become more popular, driven by concerns about climate change, air quality, and the need to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. In this video, we will discuss the revolution of electric cars and the transition to sustainable mobility, exploring the advancements in technology, infrastructure, and policies that are shaping the future of transportation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. The growth of electric vehicles. Over the past decade, electric vehicle sales have grown exponentially, with millions of EVs now on the roads worldwide. This growth is driven by several factors, including advancements in battery technology, falling costs, increasing consumer awareness, and supportive government policies. Battery technology improvements. Lithium-ion battery technology has come a long way in recent years, with improvements in energy density, charging times, and overall lifespan. These advancements have made electric vehicles more practical and appealing to consumers, as they can now offer competitive ranges and charging times compared to traditional internal combustion engine (ICE) vehicles. Falling costs. As battery technology improves and economies of scale are realized, the cost of producing electric vehicles has dropped significantly. This has made EVs more accessible to a wider range of consumers and has helped to drive their adoption. Consumer awareness. Increasing awareness of the environmental and health impacts of ICE vehicles has also contributed to the growing interest in electric vehicles. Consumers are becoming more conscious of their choices and are looking for more sustainable and eco-friendly transportation options. Government policies. Governments around the world are implementing policies to promote the adoption of electric vehicles, such as tax incentives, subsidies, and regulations that phase out the sale of new ICE vehicles. These policies play a crucial role in accelerating the transition to sustainable mobility. Charging infrastructure. A robust and accessible charging infrastructure is critical to the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Governments and private companies are investing heavily in expanding charging networks to meet the growing demand for EV charging. Public charging stations. The number of public charging stations has grown rapidly in recent years, making it easier for EV drivers to find a place to charge their vehicles on the go. These stations are often located in strategic locations, such as shopping centers, workplaces, and along major highways, to ensure maximum convenience for users. Home and workplace charging. Home and workplace charging options are also becoming more common, allowing EV owners to charge their vehicles overnight or while they're at work. This can help to alleviate concerns about range anxiety and make electric vehicle ownership more practical for many consumers. Fast charging technology. Fast charging technology, such as Tesla's supercharger network and other high-speed charging stations, has been a game-changer in making long-distance travel more feasible for EV drivers. These stations can charge a vehicle's battery to 80% or more in just 30 minutes, making road trips and extended journeys more convenient and efficient. Vehicle-to-grid (V2G) technology. Vehicle-to-grid technology allows electric vehicles to interact with the power grid, enabling them to both charge from and provide energy back to the grid when needed. This innovative approach has the potential to help stabilize the grid, reduce electricity costs for EV owners, and further support the transition to renewable energy sources. Electric vehicle models and market trends. As electric vehicles gain popularity, automakers are introducing a diverse range of models to cater to different consumer needs and preferences. Growing variety of models. From compact city cars to luxury sedans and even electric pickup trucks, there is now an electric vehicle to suit almost every taste and budget. This growing variety has helped to make EVs more appealing to a wider audience and has spurred competition among manufacturers to develop even more advanced and innovative models. Increased range and performance. With advancements in battery technology and electric drivetrain systems, electric vehicles are now capable of offering impressive ranges and performance capabilities. Some EVs can travel over 300 miles on a single charge, rivaling the range of many ICE vehicles. In addition, electric vehicles often boast impressive acceleration and torque, delivering a thrilling driving experience. Autonomous driving features. Many electric vehicles now come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and semi-autonomous driving features, such as Tesla's Autopilot and GM's Super Cruise. These features can improve driver safety and convenience, further enhancing the appeal of electric vehicles. Market trends. The global electric vehicle market is expected to continue its rapid growth in the coming years, driven by supportive government policies, falling costs, and improvements in technology. Some industry experts predict that electric vehicles could account for over 50% of new car sales by 2040. Challenges and future outlook. Despite the many advancements and successes of the electric vehicle revolution, there are still challenges to overcome in order to achieve widespread adoption and a fully sustainable transportation sector. Battery raw materials and recycling. The demand for battery raw materials, such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel, is expected to surge as the production of electric vehicles increases. Ensuring a sustainable and ethical supply chain for these materials will be crucial in avoiding potential bottlenecks and supporting the continued growth of the EV market. Additionally, the development of efficient battery recycling methods will be vital in minimizing the environmental impact of battery production and disposal. Electric grid capacity and renewable energy integration. As the number of electric vehicles on the roads grows, so too will the demand for electricity. Upgrading the electric grid to handle this increased load and ensuring a greater share of renewable energy sources will be critical in making the transition to electric vehicles truly sustainable. Public perception and consumer education. Despite the many benefits of electric vehicles, there remains a degree of public skepticism and misconceptions about EV ownership. Addressing these concerns and providing accurate information about the advantages and practicalities of electric vehicles will be essential in encouraging more consumers to make the switch. Emerging technologies and innovations. The electric vehicle revolution is not just about the vehicles themselves, but also the innovations and emerging technologies that are set to transform the way we think about transportation. Wireless charging. One of the most promising developments in EV technology is wireless charging. This technology allows vehicles to charge their batteries without the need for physical plugs or cords. Instead, electromagnetic fields transfer energy between two coils, one in the charging station and one in the vehicle. Wireless charging has the potential to make EV charging even more convenient and accessible, and could eventually lead to the integration of charging infrastructure into roadways, enabling vehicles to charge while in motion. Solid-state batteries. The development of solid-state batteries could significantly improve the performance and safety of electric vehicles. These batteries use solid electrolytes instead of liquid ones, which can offer higher energy density, faster charging times, and improved safety due to a reduced risk of thermal runaway. Several companies and research institutions are currently working on bringing solid-state batteries to market, and their widespread adoption could be a game-changer for the EV industry. Vehicle-to-grid (V2G) technology. Vehicle-to-grid technology allows electric vehicles to not only draw power from the grid but also send energy back to it. This could help balance the load on the electrical grid and provide valuable energy storage for renewable energy sources like solar and wind. V2G technology is still in the early stages of development, but it has the potential to significantly enhance the relationship between electric vehicles and the grid, making EVs an even more integral part of a sustainable energy system. Collaboration and industry disruption. As the electric vehicle market grows, traditional automakers are increasingly joining forces with technology companies and startups to stay competitive and drive innovation. Strategic partnerships. Many established automakers are forming strategic partnerships with technology companies, startups, and even competitors to accelerate the development and deployment of electric vehicles. For example, Ford and Volkswagen have entered into a global alliance to develop electric and autonomous vehicles, while General Motors has partnered with LG Chem to manufacture battery cells for its upcoming EV models. New entrants and disruptive business models. The electric vehicle revolution has also given rise to new entrants in the automotive market, such as Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid Motors, which are challenging the status quo and pushing the boundaries of EV technology. These companies are not only developing cutting-edge electric vehicles but also adopting disruptive business models, such as direct-to-consumer sales and over-the-air software updates, that are transforming the automotive industry. The electric vehicle revolution is reshaping the future of transportation, driven by rapid advancements in technology, infrastructure, and supportive policies. With innovative solutions like wireless charging, solid-state batteries, and vehicle-to-grid technology on the horizon, the potential for further disruption and growth in the EV market is vast. As traditional automakers, technology companies, and startups continue to collaborate and compete in this rapidly evolving landscape, the world is moving ever closer to a more sustainable, efficient, and eco-friendly transportation system.